better version of you. This is your girl Shalini, and actually what I did by mistake, I deleted my previous introduction video, and I just thought that before I make more videos on weight loss, you should know my story. I know many people already know my story, but the rest of you who do not know, please do hear me out. Please do hear my own story, and I got a lot of love on that video. I hope I will get equal love in this video too. So let's start with the video. Today I will be telling how I lost that weight, how I lost 30 kgs in 6 months, and what made me do it. So first let me start with the beginning of the journey. So let's start with this first. Let's start with the school. Let's start with my school life. So what happened in my school life, I became a lot of insecure then. I became a lot, you can say a little bit depressed when I was back in school, because I was 105 kgs then. And so you can see this is the photo of this is the photo of my school, I guess. And this is what I am. I just took this photo yesterday. So yeah. What happened actually is people used to call me with a lot of names. They used to call me buffalo, they used to call me cow, they used to call me elephant, they used to call me hippopotamus, they used to call me football, and a lot of other stuff. They used to tease me with a lot of stuff. They used to make me feel that I am ugly and I don't belong with them. They did not used to let me play with them. So I became a lot shaky. At that time, shaky in the sense I became insecure, and I did not used to go out, play with any kids. I did not used to meet friends. I used to cry whenever I was alone. But okay, so then I just thought that okay fine, I don't belong here. I should not play with them because they don't like me. They feel I'm ugly, and ugly people don't belong over here. So what I want, I know some of you are feeling the same thing. You are going through the same thing, because I have seen it with my own eyes that it is still happening. So please do not make yourself feel insecure. Someone can only make you feel inferior if you let them do it. They cannot make you feel insecure, they cannot make you feel inferior, or they cannot make you feel less important until and unless you let them. Please do not give so much importance to those people. Okay, the work of bullies are to bully you. They will bully you, but you have to stand up for yourself. You have to be strong mentally as well as mentally as well as emotionally. You have to think that let them say whatever they want. I know what I am, and I do not have to explain them anything. That is when you will. After school, I came to college. I was still 105 kgs, and when I came to college, I almost touched 110, because I was in the hostel. I used to I had a freedom. My parents were not there to look after me, so I used to eat a lot of junk. I used to go out a lot. I used to eat all this unwanted foods, unwanted carbs. I already made a video on carbs. You can see this, and I'll link it down below in the description. Please do go watch it. Carbs are not good for your health. They can make you fat, but there are some carbs which are actually good and you should consume it. So I have listed out those carbs in this video, so please do go watch it. And yeah, so I was 110 then. So at that moment it came to my mind, because I already predicted thyroid when I was in class 12. So when I was in 10 plus 2, I predicted thyroid. I did not predict thyroid, I got thyroid. It was a hereditary thing. My mother has thyroid, so it doesn't mean that anyone in your family has thyroid, you will also get it. But because I was also gaining a lot of weight, I was in an unhealthier state, so I got it. So yeah, I got thyroid in 10 plus 2. So I did not want any other diseases, but I was not even working for it. But when I came to college, I gained a lot of weight. I reached 110, and then it came to my mind that no, I have to do it now, because if I don't do it, I'll get other diseases too, and I don't want it, obviously. So I started gymming when I was in second year of my college, and it helped me a lot. I actually used to starve myself, and yeah, I used to starve myself for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, and trust me, starving is not an option. It is not good for your health at all. It makes you gain weight more. So I started wondering that I am gymming, I'm starving myself. Why am I gaining weight? So I started researching, like you are doing right now. I started researching on YouTube too, that how can I lose weight without exercising, without dieting. Obviously, there is nothing like that. You cannot lose weight without any of these, because your diet plays 70% of the role in your weight loss journey, and your exercise plays 30% of the role. If you if you just leave one of those also, I don't think it's gonna be effective. But yeah, diet, if you are on a strict diet, still you're not exercising, maybe it can help. I'll make a video on that for lazy people who do not want to exercise. I'll make a video for them on how to lose weight without exercise on my upcoming video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, just go subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon, the notification icon, so that you get notification whenever I upload a next video. I have a lot of informative videos to share with you. I hope it helps you, and especially I am making videos on diet and what to eat right now, because I know diet plays 70% of the role, and I do not want you to make the same mistake which I did. So yeah, that goes. So let's start with my story of then. Let's get back to it. So I was in my college, yeah, and so I was not losing weight then, so I started researching. Then I found some videos that where I understood that okay, I have to eat healthy, not starve myself, and I have to exercise. But I was too lazy. That did not come to my mind that I have to do it. And then in my third year, my parents came over to the place where I was doing my college, and at that time, because I was gaining a lot of weight also, and I used to go for the regular thyroid checkup. I went for the thyroid checkup with my parents, and at that moment I predicted sugar. So yeah, sugar is also a hereditary thing in my family. So yeah, then also you will not get it if you are maintaining yourself. If you are not having a lot of sweets, if you are not having others unhealthy foods, you will not get sugar. So yeah, I predicted sugar, and I was very depressed that I already have thyroid. I cannot have diabetes now. I do not want to have that diabetes, and at that moment I just thought, okay, now is the time when I start with my journey. I should be focused, and I have to lose weight no matter what, because the doctor already told me that I have to lose weight if I don't want this sugar to increase. It was just the initial stage at that time, so he just told me to lose weight so that the sugar doesn't increase. So I started with the process, and I started with the weight loss process. It was September 2018. I'll show you a picture of it. So this was the picture when I started with my journey, and I started going to gym again. I thought, okay, fine, this time I will be consistent. I know that diet also plays an important role, so I will start dieting. So that did not end up for a long period, because you cannot diet for your whole life. But then I just thought that okay, fine, I am not able to diet too. So let's do something, and let's do something which I can stay consistent to, which I can do it for my lifetime. So I started healthy eating instead of dieting. I included proteins, I included carbs in my diet, my foods which I used to eat. So and I used to exercise also. I used to train myself like 2 hours daily. I used to train myself really hard at that time. It's fine if you're not training yourself hard, because you might get loose skin. I will also make a video, my upcoming videos, that how to avoid loose skin when you are losing your weight. If you lose your weight really fast, you get the tendency of getting loose skin. If so I did not get it because I was following a particular process, but you might get it. So please do watch my upcoming video, which I will be making on loose skin. And so yeah, that time it started, and in 6 months I lost 30 kgs. I was 110, 30 to 35 kgs. So I was 110 when I started. I trained myself really hard. I pushed myself through it, and I made my mind that I have to do it. You do not have to do it, take it slow. So then in 6 months I came down to 75 kgs. I am still in my weight loss journey. I am still in the weight loss process. I'm still losing weight. So I hope that you will see the changes in my upcoming videos. So that's what my story was. So please do watch my videos. Please do watch the tips I shared, because all those tips helped me, like really helped me. I already shared those 5 tips. I'll be sharing that also in my description box. Just check it out. Check that video out. Those 5 things really helped me a lot. It is still helping me as I'm still on my weight loss process. So please do watch it, and please do implement it in your life. I'll be really happy if my story motivated you, and if my tips are really helping you. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for investing your time. I'll see you in my next video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post another video. And if you like the video, please press that thumbs up. So take care, and see you in my next video.